Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Elgato capture card which is showing no signal for your PS5 2026. So here's a guide for your OBS and pass-through guide. Fix 1. Confirm your PS5 signal. Ensure the source is turned on. Connect PS5 directly to TV to verify signal. If no image on TV, the issue is the console or cable, not your Elgato. Fix 2. Port check. Connect source to HDMI in and connect TV to HDMI out. Fix 3. Disable HDCP. HDCP is the first cause of no signal. Go to PS5 and then select settings. From there, select system and then go to HDMI. Then you need to disable your HDCP. If unavailable, check Safe Mode settings. Fix 4. Reseat cables. Disconnect HDMI cables and reinsert firmly. Loose connections cause signal drops. Fix 5. HDMI speed. Use premium high speed 16 Gbps cables. Slower cables result in flickers. Fix 6. Cold boot PC. PCIe cards need full power cycles for firmware updates. Shut down, unplug power for 60 seconds, then reboot. Fix 7. LED code. Check the orange LED status. Flashing codes indicate hardware errors. Fix 8. Software update. Always use the latest 4K capture utility. Test in the Elgato utility first, not your OBS. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.